Take 476. Just kidding. It's like take 10 though, really. I want to explain RSA code breaking to you. I haven't been doing a good job. I've been wasting a lot of time because I thought it would take, quick, and I wanted to help out my friend Osway. So this is how encryption works. I have my unencrypted message. I raise it by a power of E. E being my private key. And I mod it by N. N being the product of two random primes P and Q. I mean, all makes sense. C is encrypted message. M is unencrypted. Raised to the power E, my private key. Modded by N, the product of two primes. There's some conditions that my E has to follow. And E has to be greater than 1. And has to be greater than the totient of N. The totient of N being N, the factors of N, minus 1 and multiplied together. So P and Q equals N, but the totient of N is equal to P minus 1, Q minus 1. Make sense? Hopefully it does. So you take my encrypted message and you raise it by your own private key D, and you mod it by N, and you get my unencrypted message. So there's some other things you have to know, and that's that for it to work, your decryption key has to be the multiplicative inverse of my own private key. And what that means is that when these two are multiplied together and modded by the totient of N, well, it's only the multiplicative inverse when it's modded by the totient of N, but when these two are multiplied together, or like not when these two are multiplied together, but when E minus 1 and E are multiplied together, it's going to equal, the mod of totient of N is always going to equal 1. And that's basically what multiplicative inverse means. And it's in this statement is just saying that D is the multiplicative inverse of E, my encryption key. Your decryption key is the multiplicative inverse of my encryption key, is what it's saying, only when it's modded by the totient of N in that scenario. So it's saying E times D is equal to 1 when that product is modded by the totient of N. And to kind of clarify that point, D could be substituted with the multiplicative inverse, like the same symbol of my encryption key, which is E times E to the negative 1, and that's going to equal 1 when modded by the totient of N.